Hi, I'm Jamie from JPS Plumbing. In this video we'll talk about a Baxi boiler. So the main features of any boiler is to make sure that there's a stainless steel heat exchanger and a brass hydroblock. So in the Baxi 800 range, in the combi boiler and the system boiler, these are stainless steel and brass. Whereas their heat only range is a completely different boiler altogether, and in fact we wouldn't recommend a Baxi for a heat only. We would then go for either a Vaillant or a Glow one. So then we've got a Baxi 600, which is exactly the same boiler as the Baxi 800, but it only comes with a 7-year warranty. Okay, so the Baxi 800 has a 10-year warranty and the Baxi 600 has a 7-year warranty. So all modern boilers are A rated from an energy efficiency point of view. So yes, all modern boilers will save costs on energy, especially over the very old non-condensing boilers. So all boilers should be serviced every year. On a more modern boiler, this is more of a safety check and to clean the condense out and to make sure that it's running correctly, whereas on an older boiler it is to clean the heat exchanger out and make sure any soot, etc. isn't in the boiler getting in the way of the flame. So the best thing to do is to call us or email us, and we can arrange for one of our guys to come out and survey the property to work out what is the best fit for your property. And then from there we can do you a quote, and once accepted we can generally fit these, if it's an emergency, within a day or two. So the best way is to phone us on 01962 448 019 or email us at admin@jpsplumbing-winchester.co.uk.